Today let's explore this spin and spiral art station.
Are you ready to have some fun and make some art?
Yes!
Let's explore it.
Okay, let's explore it.
Boxes, let's open and put them up.
It has this and this.
Okay. The box contains the base and then the gear. So let's open
And this
them.
one. This toy has a base, some gears,
Okay.
some markers and some colored ink.
Oh. We placed a paper into the disc and we're going to spin it with the help of this button. And you're going to open the colored inks and then pour some on top as the disc is spinning so it can make a pattern. Are you excited?
And let's use two.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Ooh, look.
Nice pattern.
Yes. And now we can pick the piece of paper.
Good pattern.
Okay, let's try another one.
Yeah.
Okay. But I'm going to start spinning and you add the colors.
10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's put it at different places so it makes a pattern.
Different.
Okay.
And that.
Okay, now let's put some blue. Let's put some blue.
I bet.
That should be, I think that's enough. And let's see our pattern.
Pattern! Orange and green. Primary colors.
Okay, that's a good one.
What?
That's okay, that's okay.
We can.
Look at this beautiful pattern that the art maker made. Let's put it to dry. Krishna, the ink on this paper has dried, so we could try to make some more art. I'm going to put it on the other side of the station and you pick a gear. Which one would you like to try?
I would like the big one.
Alright, let's put the big one in.
There.
Okay, you put it all the way to the edge, okay? And now choose a marker.
What red?
Red is fine. So open the cap and put it in.
Open the cap. Put
There.
it in.
And then you go round and round. Can you try it? Okay, let me try and show you, okay?
Yeah.
You go like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so you try. Put it into different holes and then you try. You could go faster so it can make a beautiful pattern. There you go. Let's choose another color.
Oh yeah.
Yes. And then try a different hole.
Try.
Mm-hmm.
How about this one?
Yes. You push it all the way and then go round and round. There you go. That's how you do it. Yes. And let's play with some more colors.
This one's done. Now green.
Let's try one of the big holes with the green.
This one.
Yeah. And spin around. There you go. There you go, and go faster so the pattern can be better.
See, I made
I think we have enough colors on this one. What do you think?
Well, I think it's good.
How about let's just take a plain piece of paper and just try this gears? We make some beautiful art with the gears. I find it exciting. Okay.
But I'll use two.
Okay. Let's use this here. There you go. Faster, faster so you can make a pattern.
Where?
Use any place. Your choice. That one? Okay. And let's spin. See? It's making a design. Alright, let's try a different color in a different pose. Why don't you use the orange and try one of these?
One orange.
Yes, orange coming up.
Where is the orange?
How about let's use this? Yes.
But it's looking.
Look at that. Beautiful. Let's use a green. I think a green will look very good with the rest of the colors.
Do you mean green here?
You can use that.
No, I will use here.
Okay.
That's green.
Look at the beautiful art that we have made with this art station. All your hard work looks so pretty. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes, that was fun playing with colors, and I think we have so much more that we can make. Let's move on and make few more stuff.
A lot more to do. I'll spin with
Yeah.